Did you know that the limited ability to produce non-renewable energy along with the rapid growth of the global population leads to an increase in energy consumption, particularly in Malaysia? Especially in the new norm with the COVID-19 crisis, Malaysia mainly depends on non-renewable energy for electricity generation. Since 2010, around 80 to 90% of energy capacity installation comes from natural gas and coal. Malaysia's reliance on coal for energy supply is apparent by its constant growth in primary energy supply, and in fact this dependence is expected to continue with a demand growth of 9.7% yearly until 2030.
As we can see and feel, the weather has turned sultry day by day. This is because of climate change on our Mother Earth, which is caused by the greenhouse effect and global warming driven by human activities. And there is no question that increased levels of greenhouse gases are the major causes of global warming. Loss of sea ice, accelerated sea level rise, and longer, more intense heat waves are observable effects on the environment due to global climate change.
However, that is where SEDA comes into play. The Sustainable Energy Development Authority, SEDA Malaysia, was established on 1st September 2011. The primary role of SEDA Malaysia is to promote, stimulate, facilitate, and develop sustainable energy, primarily through building resilient infrastructure, promoting inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation, and making cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable.
This goal aims to provide adequate shelter for all, improve human settlements management, promote sustainable land use planning and management, promote the integrated provision of environment infrastructure, water, sanitation, drainage, and solid waste management, promote sustainable energy and transport system in human settlements, promote human settlements planning and management in disaster-prone areas, promote sustainable construction industry activities, and promote human resources development and capacity building for human settlements development.
Now, what does this mean for Malaysia? In short, SEDA Malaysia is aiming to develop quality, reliable, sustainable and resilient infrastructure including regional and transport infrastructure to support economic development and human well-being with a focus on affordable and equitable access for all by the year 2030. Therefore, we too can play a role in the movement by spreading awareness through social media, reduce, reuse and recycle to conserve natural resources, reduce your carbon footprint by walking, cycling or using public transportation, and kicking the fossil fuel habit by going with renewable energy.